welcome back to my channel. My name is Kara if you're new here. Today's video is going to be another what's in my bag, specifically with my Bottega mini pouch in the color Ice, which is I think discontinued now. I did get this bag from Fashionphile and I have a whole unboxing video that I can link in a card. So before I get into this, I just wanted to thank Read Your Heart for working with me on this video. If you are unfamiliar with Read Your Heart, they make high quality moissanite pieces. They sent me these really pretty earrings. These earrings are called the round moissanite hoop pave sterling silver earrings, and they just have little moissanite studs on the outside here and along the insides. And they also, okay, my nails are so disgusting right now. I picked the gel off my nails, so don't look at my nails, but this is the 10 stone trillion moissanite half eternity wedding band. So the stones are only here, they don't go all the way around, so they don't scratch your fingers or anything. It just stays like that. And I have this on my middle finger obviously, but yeah, so these are from Read Your Heart. Again, all the information will be linked in the description. So all Read Your Heart pieces come with a little gift bag if you want to like give them to someone, as well as a polishing cloth. And then these are the boxes that they come in. So it's super cute, like super high quality, especially if you're gifting. And yeah, that's just what they look like. So that's fun. Also, Read Your Heart did give me a site-wide discount code for you guys. So if you do go on the website and you find something you like, use code KARA15 for 15% off. And without further ado, let's just get into what's in my mini pouch. So I don't currently have my phone in the bag, but it does fit. This is an iPhone XR, and if I wanted to put my phone in the bag, I normally put my phone in first so it lays flat against the bottom, and then it also kind of helps the bag keep its shape. Maybe I'll just stick it in. Okay, so this is what my mini pouch looks like with my phone in it. Not sure if you can tell, my phone is laying flat here along the bottom. This is what she looks like. So now I'll just show you everything that I have tucked into this little tiny bag because I know it looks super small. First I have my keys and my key pouch. So I will definitely link this below for you guys if I can find it. I did get it on Etsy, and in my last what's in my bag video I mentioned that I was looking for something like this because I had a Michael Kors one before, completely falling apart. I wasn't very happy with it. I was looking for an upgrade of some sort, but I also like didn't really want to spend the money on the Louis Vuitton one because at the end of the day, I don't think, this is kind of a generalization, but the coated canvas things from Louis Vuitton I think are overpriced for what they are. And especially with the price increases specifically from Louis Vuitton, I just didn't think that the key pouch specifically was worth, like, I think it's almost like $300 now or something. I just don't think it's worth that for something that I know I will like toss around and whatever. So this one I found on Etsy. I got this quite a while ago actually, and it's the same style as the Louis Vuitton one except it's pink calfskin. And I just have my keys here, house key, whatever, and then all of my cards and stuff tucked inside. So if you're looking for something like this and you don't like, I don't know, I just feel like everything that I've heard and from my research is like SLGs are not a good investment, so like don't spend a ton of money on SLGs. I think this was $30, so that's pretty good, I guess. These are my keys and my wallet. I have, I guess, some cash and the valet ticket. I did keep this because it's from after our wedding from the Shinola Hotel, and I kind of want to keep it and like make not a scrapbook but like keep the memory things. I don't really know. And then this is where it gets interesting. I have a bag of goodies. So normally I keep like a pouch of my essentials in my bags, but because this bag is so small and like it's a weird shape, I use a Ziploc bag because it's very flexible and malleable, I guess, and I don't know. But I don't want these things floating around on the inside of my bag because if they like exploded or something, that would be horrible. And normally I do have hand sanitizer in here, but I guess there isn't any hand sanitizer in here right now. But I guess it's mostly lip products. Tide to Go, a chapstick. This is my favorite lip gloss. If I'm wearing lip gloss 9 times out of 10, it's this one. It's the Buxom, what is this called? Buxom Full On Plumping Lip Cream, and then this one is in the shade Dolly. I really like this one a lot. I wore it for my wedding. This is the Tarte Lippy whatever, and this one is in the shade Exposed. And then I have my Rhode lip gloss, or sorry, this is my Rhode Peptide lip treatment thing. This is the unscented, and I actually really do like the lip treatment. Not super crazy about the moisturizer, but I do like the peptide lip treatment. Then I have a tampon, Midol, and then just a bunch of loose bobby pins just hanging around in the bottom of this bag. That's everything that I keep in this little Ziploc. My phone is in there. I don't currently have sunglasses in here, but if I did want to bring sunglasses, I'd probably just bring I have some like thin like wire frame ones. Those would fit in here. I don't think any of my bigger like plastic frame ones would fit. This is my Bottega mini pouch and I love her. I think she's so cute, and like I said, I did get this from Fashionphile, so I can have that video linked. I think I said I would link it in a card, or maybe I'll link it in the description. Maybe both. But yeah, if you have any questions on this bag or anything like that, please leave me a comment and I will definitely get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you again to Read Your Heart for working with me, and I love these moissanite pieces and I think all of you would like them too. So if you're in the market for some nice moissanite pieces, they also have engagement rings and special occasion pieces, so definitely check them out. And yeah, I will see you all in the next one. Bye.